Hi friends, today we are going to revise a chapter of rational numbers. We already know what is rational numbers. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q, is it? So, shall we start with the revision? First, we are going to revise the addition of rational numbers. Okay, addition of rational numbers. So if it is same denominator, it is very easy to do it. Minus 2 by 7 plus minus 5 by 7. Look at the denominator. Denominators are same. So what we will do? Just add the numerator. Minus 2 plus minus 5, the whole divided by 7. Minus 2 plus minus 5. Two negative integers on addition. What we will do? We should add and put negative sign. Is it? So negative 7 by 7. Negative 7 by 7 means a number divided by the same number, answer will be 1. So here negative 1. Is it? So in case of different denominator, shall we discuss? Okay. 4 divided by 12 plus minus 3 divided by 10. Look at the denominator. These are different denominators. Is it? So shall we take the LCM of 12 and 10? So 12 and 10. We should take the LCM. Prime number 2, 6 2s are 12, 5 again with the 2, 3, 5. Is it? So LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So LCM is 60. Convert these numbers into LCM. 4 by 12 equals, so we should multiply by 5 both on numerator and denominator. So we convert into LCM. So we will get 20 by 60. Take the another number minus 3 by 7. Convert into LCM. So multiply by 6. Both numerator and denominator, we will get minus 18. So we got 20 by 60 and minus 18 by 60. So shall we add? Okay. 20 by 60 plus minus 18 by 60 equals, we will get a negative integer and positive integer on addition. We will subtract it and put bigger number sign. So 2 divided by 6, and if we divide it by 2, we will get 1 by 30. Understood? Next, we will discuss subtraction of rational numbers. Okay. First, we will discuss the same denominator, that is minus 10 divided by 20 minus 5 divided by 20. This is subtraction sign. Okay. Then what we will do? Minus 10 divided by 20. Write like this. Minus sign change to plus sign. Then 5 by 10 is positive number. The sign changes to positive, changes to negative. Is it? Then we will follow the rules of addition. Minus 10 by minus 5, the whole divided by 10. 2 minus on addition, we will add and put negative sign. So we will get minus 15 by 20. If we want to reduce, we can reduce with a 5 is a common factor. So minus 3 will come over here. Here 4 will come. Understood? Cut it with the number by 4. Okay. Next, we will discuss different denominator. Okay, minus 5 by 10 minus of 6 by 15. So, first different denominators means we should take the LCM of 10 and 15. So, 10, 15, it will come on 5 table. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So, the LCM is 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So, the LCM is 30. So shall we convert it as LCM? Minus 5 by 10 equals, we should multiply by 3. So we will get LCM 30. Here minus 15 by 30. And next minus 6 by 15. We will cut it, we will multiply by 2. Then we will get 30. Is it? So minus 12 by 30. Okay. So we converted into as LCM. So we will write like this: minus 15 by 30 minus 12 by 30, is it? Then what we will do next step, we should change the sign. Minus 13 by 15 by 30, minus sign changes to plus sign, and minus 12 by 30 changes to plus 12 by 30. 1 minus 1 plus 1 on addition, we should subtract it and put bigger number sign. So we will get minus of 3 by 30. So cut it with 3, we will get minus 1 by 10. This is the answer. Understood? Next we will revise multiplication. First I will do 5 minus 5 by 6 into 4 by 3. What we should do? Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Minus 5 into 4 divided by 6 into 3. We will get the answer minus 20 by 18. And we have to cut it with a common factor. Here is the common factor. We will get 2, 10 and here 9. So minus 10 by 9 is the answer. Okay. And the next one, they will give some big numbers. Minus 25 by 20 into 35 by 15. So what we will do, we should cut it with we can cut it cross way like this or like this. Don't cut it in the sleeping line. Okay. So 5 4s are 20 and 5 7s are 35. Here also 5 3s are 15 and here 5 5s are 25. So what is left over in the numerator? Minus 5 into 7 divided by here 4 into 3. So we will get minus 35 divided by 12. Understood? So next we will do division of rational numbers. Okay. So the first one is, next we will do the division. First I will write for you minus 7 by 14 divided 28 by 21. How we will do division? Minus 7 by 14 write like this. Then division sign change to multiplication. They take second number reciprocal. That is reciprocal of 28 by 21 is 21 by 28. Is it? So shall we cut it with a minus 7 1s are 1, 7 4s are 28. Here also 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So minus 1 into 3 left over in the numerator, 2 into 4 in the down. So we will multiply minus 1 into 3, we will get minus 3 and 2 4s are 8. Understood? Next we will study the additive inverse of the following. How we will take additive inverse? First we will write one number, minus 7 by 19. So what is the additive inverse of minus 7 by 9? Just change the sign. Okay, 7 by 19, that is all. Next one, 21 by 112. So just change the sign. This is positive 21. We should take negative 21. That's all. This is additive inverse. Okay. Next, one more question is there. Verify that minus of minus x is same as x. Is it? X for the question is 13 by 17. So here x is 13 by 17. What there as verify that minus of minus x. Minus of minus x. That means minus of what is minus x? That is 7. X is 13 by 17. Minus x is, we should take the additive inverse. Okay. So that is negative 13 by 17. I will explain you one more time. X is 13 by 17. They asked to take minus of minus x. So if we put minus over here, then minus 13 by 17, that is additive inverse is minus 13 by 17, is it? So minus of minus, automatically it will change to plus. Plus 13 by 17. So x is equal to 13 by 17. Hence it is verified. Understood? Next question is find minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. So minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7, take it in A into B. 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. Okay. Then minus 4 by 5 into 15 by 6 using commutative property and associative. Okay. So shall we take like this, minus 4 by 5 into 15 by 16 and into 3 by 7 into minus 14 by 9. So this is the easy way to we should cut. Otherwise we can multiply and do it, no problem. But this is the very easy way. Okay. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So here what is left over? Minus 1 by 3 into 1 into 4 in this part into here 3 ones are 3, 3, 3. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So the numerator 1 into minus 2 and the denominator 1 into 3. Is it? So minus 1 into 3 we got minus 3, 1 into 4 we got 4 into here 1 into minus 2 we got minus 2, 1 into 3 we got 3 over here, and again we have to cut here minus 3 one time, 3 into 1 time, here also 2 into 1 time, 2 twos are 4. Okay, so minus 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 1, minus 1 into minus 1 we will get plus 1, 2 into 1 we will get 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, so I will explain you one more time. If you will get like this question, you should group it, which number is cutting for easy for cutting, you can cut it and do it this way. Okay, using commutative and associative property, use like that and you will get the answer easily. Understood? This is the quick review. We should, in this chapter we already studied all the properties, property of closure, commutative, associative, everything. So I think you all will revise well this chapter, study well. Okay, thank you.